Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account with Zcom. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's jump into it. Zcom is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading solely through Forex currency pairs. Their live account features one standard client account, which is verified by either bank transfer or cheque account. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is supported on Zcom Trader Web, which is available on either Windows, iOS, or Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the live chat button at the top of the homepage here. Submit your contact information and a support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with Zcom. Firstly, head over to their website at trade.z.com/hk/en. On their homepage here, at the top of the screen, you will see Try Free Demo. Click on Try Free Demo. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, country of residence, contact number, email address, and create a password. After you have submitted your information, you will see Thank you for applying. What you'll want to do next is head over to the email address you specified and look for the link that Zcom has sent you to verify and log into your demo account. That link will then redirect you to your Zcom demo through their client zone. And we're in! This is a Zcom demo account on Zcom Trader Web for Windows. At the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see our primary chart window. You can change your chart types here from either line, bar, or candlestick charts. At the top left of the dashboard here, we can see our quick buy and sell order execution windows. This is where we can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected currency pair. If you wish to change your preferred currency pair in the chart window here, all you will need to do is click on the drop-down tab here, and you can easily change your primary chart window to any pair that you please. On the right side of the dashboard here, we can see our active orders and open or closed positions. If you wish to change your buy and sell windows here to a more compact, detailed list, simply click on the List button at the top left of the panel. This will then display a more detailed list on the pairs with some additional information. Zcom also features their very own Superchart, which displays a more detailed version of the chart window. Here you can easily see your main chart window and a quote list where you can make buy and sell orders on your preferred currency pair. You can easily change this chart window into a full screen window, giving you a more detailed and neater looking chart. Zcom features their very own education center, which covers a variety of topics such as workshop schedules, a daily and weekly news commentary section, and a guide to the fundamentals of Forex trading for you to browse through as you please. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider the correct and healthiest mental makeup when trading. As we all know, one of the most common ways to cause losses in Forex trading is becoming too emotionally involved and making choices that are not based on logic, but instead on emotion. One key point here is to understand that making emotional decisions during your trading sessions can severely deviate you from your primary trading strategy, which has the potential to throw any trader into the deep end. Consider always sticking to your primary strategy. You could consider experimenting with your strategy once your mind is in the right place. However, if it has proven to be successful, then sticking to your primary strategy is one way to be more successful. If you find yourself in a constant state of stress and emotion, consider taking breaks and keeping a log of all your thoughts when making decisions, and then consider adapting your strategy to suit your style. This can help you take one step in becoming a more successful individual trader. And that's how to open a demo account on Zcom. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. And as always, good luck.